Welcome back to Autoscope. Today we're diving into something absolutely massive, bold, and built like a beast on wheels. The all-new 2026 MACK Camper Motorhome, a machine that takes the rugged DNA of a heavy-duty truck and transforms it into a luxury home on the road. This is not your average RV, this is a statement, a powerhouse designed for those who want both dominance on the highway and comfort wherever they stop. The first thing that grabs your attention is its aggressive truck-inspired design. Built on a reinforced MACK heavy-duty chassis, this motorhome looks more like it belongs on a construction site than a campsite, and that's exactly what makes it stand out. The front grille is massive, bold, and unmistakably MACK, paired with high-mounted LED headlights and a commanding driving position that gives you full control of the road. This thing doesn't just move, it owns the lane. Under the hood, the 2026 MACK Camper Motorhome is powered by a turbocharged diesel engine that delivers insane torque, making it capable of hauling not just its own massive body but also additional trailers if needed. Whether you're climbing steep mountains or cruising long highways, this motorhome delivers smooth yet powerful performance. The advanced suspension system ensures that even with its size, the ride feels stable and surprisingly comfortable. Step inside, and everything changes from rugged to refined. The interior is designed like a high-end apartment on wheels. You're greeted with premium materials, soft touch finishes, ambient lighting, and a layout that maximizes both space and comfort. There's a full lounge area with plush seating, a smart entertainment system, and large panoramic windows that bring the outside view right into your living space. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances including a refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and plenty of storage cabinets. Whether you're on a short trip or living on the road full-time, this kitchen has everything you need to cook like you're at home. Moving further back, the sleeping area offers a luxurious queen-sized bed, surrounded by smart storage solutions and soft lighting that creates a relaxing atmosphere. Some variants even offer expandable sections or slide-outs, giving you even more room when parked. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a full shower, modern sink, and a compact yet stylish design that doesn't compromise on comfort. This isn't just a camper, it's a fully functional home. Technology is another highlight. The 2026 MACK Camper comes loaded with a digital control system that lets you manage lighting, temperature, water levels, and even security features right from a touchscreen panel or your smartphone. Solar panel options and large battery packs also make it ideal for off-grid adventures. Safety hasn't been ignored either. With advanced driver assistance systems, multiple cameras, lane monitoring, and stability control, this giant machine is easier to handle than you might expect. It's built to protect you, your passengers, and your investment. What truly sets this motorhome apart is its personality. It's not trying to be sleek or minimal, it embraces its bold, industrial character and combines it with luxury in a way that very few vehicles can. It's perfect for adventurers, long-haul travelers, or anyone who wants to stand out while exploring the world. Of course, with all this power and luxury comes a premium price tag. But for those who can afford it, the 2026 MACK Camper Motorhome delivers an unmatched experience. It's not just about traveling, it's about living anywhere, anytime, without giving up comfort or capability. So if you're someone who dreams of the open road but refuses to compromise on strength, space, or style, this might just be the ultimate motorhome for you. Let us know in the comments what you think about this beast on wheels, and don't forget to subscribe to Autoscope for more powerful machines and incredible vehicles from around the world.